Hey guys, I'm Rayhana, and in this video I want to show you how we can use broadcast receiver in Android. Let's start. Okay, first of all, we need to answer to this question. What is broadcast receiver? In Android, broadcast refers to a system-wide event such as when the device boots up, receive a message, receive incoming calls, or goes into airplane mode, among other things. To respond to this system-wide event, broadcast receivers are used. Broadcast receivers allow us to register for system and application events and then get notification when those events occur. Now we need to know type of broadcast receiver. First of all, we have a static broadcast receiver and then dynamic broadcast receiver. The static broadcast receiver, this type of receiver are declared in the manifest file and works even if the app is closed. And about the second one, dynamic broadcast receiver. This type of receivers work only if the app is active and minimized. Since from API level 26, most of the broadcast can only be caught by the dynamic receiver. So we have implemented dynamic receiver in our project. And the next step, I want to show you some events of broadcast receiver. As you can see, we have a type of intent, battery low, boot complete, call, date change, reboot, connectivity change, and also the last one about airplane mode. These are some static fields defined in the intent class which can be used to broadcast different events. We have taken a change of airplane mode as a broadcast event, but there are many of events for each broadcast register can be used. In our project, we use airplane mode. And the main question, how we can use the broadcast or receiver system in our project. First of all, we need to create the broadcast receiver, something like that you can see. And the second step, registering a broadcast receiver, like that. I guess now we can start our project. Here we have a new project and I want to create an application when user turn off or turn on airplane mode, show something like toast. In this project, actually we don't need to create a special UI. We want to just show toast, so just we need coding in the main activity Kotlin file. Okay, here first of all I should create a class for our broadcast receiver. I put this name, you can put that every name that you want, and it needs to be extend from broadcast receiver. Yes. And as you can see, we should implement some method on receiver, yes. And inside this method, we can write our code. Okay, here. let me change this one. Context, sorry, here. Yes, context, and this one intent, yeah. And now I want to use intent here. Get boolean, yes, this one extra, and here I thought this one done. Here has false, and if we can just return something like that. Okay, and here we need to check our airplane mode situation. Is airplane mode true? So we can show toast. Here pass our context, and here airplane mode enabled, yes. And in the else body I want to show same toast with different message. Here yes, and our work here is done, and in the main activity need some a little code. Here first of all I want to create an object from my class here. Yes, this one, and here receiver, yes, this one, intent filter, and here intent dot action, yes, first one, action airplane mode change. So here we need to register our broadcast. Yes, this one is okay. Receiver and pass it, and it refer to our intent filter. And I want to unstop, unregister my broadcast receiver. So unregister, yes, this one, and I pass my receiver. It's done. It's so simple sample of using broadcast receiver in Android. So let me run my emulator and I will back. Here our result of code is ready, and we can see when I enable and disable airplane mode, we can see a toast. You can see airplane mode enabled, and if I disable it, yes, airplane mode disabled. Okay, our project is done. If you like my video, please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe my channel. And also you can share this video with your friends. All of them encouraged me for recording new video and create new series. Thank you so much for watching my video.